name's Tyler Donahue. I'm a construction supervisor at Reliant Solutions. Today we're using a 160 tonne crane to lift our Geodesic roof onto our stainless steel panels. This tank has a diameter of 21.3 metres with a height of eaves of 6.2 metres and a final water capacity of 2 million litres. Once everything's set up, it only takes about 5 minutes to lift it and then another hour to install all the feet to the stainless steel walls. The purpose of this project is to provide potable water for a small community as part of a water treatment plant upgrade. This project is important to us because it supports reliable water supply for residents. It will stand the test of time and aligns with our commitment to deliver high quality, community focused water infrastructure.